Today's operation, we're removing that little cystic tumor. When you wake up, you should have no pain, you should be nice and numb. My interest in plastic and oral surgery started in college. I was a biomedical engineer, and I never really had thought about becoming a doctor until I met a surgeon, and I was fascinated with the combination of the surgical process, the body's healing, and the importance it also has for the patients. I'm Salim Afshar. I'm an oral and maxillofacial surgeon here at Boston Children's Hospital. Hi. She's looking really good. The muscles in the area are still healing, right? It's only been 4 weeks, but it looks great to me. The range of patients I see here is from somewhat simple things, like a wisdom teeth to be extracted, to dealing with children who have infections or trauma. Then there's the rare, complex patients who have vascular anomalies. In our department, we focus on how do we reconstruct patients back to a place where we're able to give them normal function and optimal aesthetics. One of the things that really attracted me here to Boston Children's Hospital is its dedication to driving innovation. We've incorporated a lot of 3D modeling as well as 3D printing to develop custom models of our patients to understand exactly what needs to happen to optimize our planning and care for our patients. The lesion was right here in the jaw, and eventually you'll have some wisdom teeth in that area. So you may have some discomfort over the next several years. It's not because of the lesion coming back, it's a natural process. I have a deep appreciation for the journey that patients go through and parents go through. My second son became acutely sick and actually spent several months here in the ICU. So I was able to experience being a parent here at Boston Children's Hospital. And that was such a gift because I feel so much closer and so much more dedicated to not just the patients and the children, but to the parents themselves. Being able to support them is really why I love being here.